Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our Accounting Journal Entries YouTube channel, where we make accounting and finance easy for everyone. Today, I'm going to help you understand how to read an income statement. Don't worry if you're new to this, because we're going to break it down in simple layman terms. So let's dive right in. Here's a sample income statement, and it's like a financial report card for a company. It tells us how much money the company made and spent during a specific period of time, usually a year. Think of it as a snapshot of the company's financial performance. The first thing you'll notice is the title at the top, usually saying Income Statement or Statement of Operations. It helps you identify the document easily. Now let's focus on the main sections of the income statement. The first section is called Revenue or Sales. This part shows the money the company made by selling its products or services. It's like the company's paycheck. Moving down, we come across the Cost of Goods Sold, or COGS. This section represents the expenses directly related to producing or delivering those products or services. It includes things like raw materials, labor costs, and manufacturing expenses. Basically, it tells us how much it costs the company to make or provide what it sells. Next up is the gross profit. This is just the fancy term for the money left over after subtracting the cost of goods sold from the revenue. It shows how much the company made purely from its operations, before considering other expenses. Now let's shift our attention to the operating expenses section. These are the costs incurred to run the day-to-day operations of the company. It includes things like employee salaries, rent, utilities, marketing expenses, and so on. These expenses are subtracted from the gross profit to calculate the operating income or operating profit. The operating income shows us how much money the company made from its core business activities after deducting all the necessary expenses. It's like knowing how much money is left after paying the bills. But wait, there's more. We have another section called Non-Operating Income and Expenses. This includes any money the company made or spent from activities not directly related to its main operations. It could be things like interest earned from investments or interest paid on loans. Finally, we reach the bottom of the income statement, where we find the net income or net profit. This is the grand total of all the money the company made or lost during the period covered by the income statement. It's like the final scorecard that tells us if the company made money or had a loss. And that's it, folks. You now have a basic understanding of how to read an income statement.